Hey, what's up, Wix coin holder? So what's going on this time, my friends? The Wix coin price is very fastly increasing, so that's really good news, my friend. From all Wix coin holders to the price will pumping up 45.87%. The price is increased in last 7 days, my friends. So that's really good news, my friend, from all of you. And I hope, my friends, the price will more increase now. But as you can see here in last 24 hours, my friend, Wix coin were fails down minus 1.32%, just and only. It's very short fails, but don't worry, my brother. If they were fails down for a short time, so this is does not mean to they will permanently fails down. Obviously after a short term, my friends, they will take a very huge jumps now. As you can see here in last 7 days, total average is going positive, but in last time you can say they were literally very smallly fails down. But after that, I am 100% sure the price will more increase now. So as you can see, my friend, this time just and only this is very short fails, my friend. After this, I am 100% sure they will pumps up. So therefore I will notify you to please don't, my friend, afraid to see this. I hope Wix coin is one of the fastest cryptocurrency. They will recover this all lost easily and get a very huge profit now. So this time, my friend, you can see 0.31. This is the highest price, but the 0.3 as the my friend, the 30 is the current price. So that's mean to the price is less than highest price. But I hope, my friends, they will recover this loss and they will get a very good profit. So please, if you also want to get a profit, my friends, from crypto, now subscribe this channel. And my prediction is 100% going positive. So please, you will need, my friends, to hold now. And if you want to buy it, so that's really easy, my friends. Buy it. I hope they will give you a profit. Thanks for watching Wix coin holder. Please like, and yes, my brother, please and please subscribe our YouTube channel.